Yo, what is going on, chat? Audio good? Can everyone hear me all right? How we sounding? How we sounding? No wonder Cindy's always stressed when you show up late. Can you view mine if it was listed on last stream? This time we are just using RNG to choose. Unless somebody's a channel member, a brand new channel member that signs up will get theirs shortlisted. But other than that, it will be fully RNG. What's going on? Scooby, good to see you. Watching from the Philippines. That's sick, bro. All right, chat. All right. Let's get things going here. This is October 17th, number 6. The 6th official portfolio review stream. While we wait for some people to come in, let us remember the last portfolio stream's favorites. Let me pull them up. So we had Brian, who recreated Pokemon. That was the last one, right? Was that the last one? No, that wasn't the last one. Oh man, did I not mark who got portfolio, who won last time? Whoops. It was this guy. Stream fave of the day. Yes, guys, by the way, if you guys enjoy these portfolio videos and you want to see more of them, the YouTube videos that I make from these, the YouTube videos that I make from these are essentially what covers like the cost and stuff. Where do I need to send mine for review? There's a pinned link. But the YouTube videos that I make out of these heavily make this all worth it. So, if you guys enjoy these streams, if you could go to that video, watch it when you have some time, leave a comment. It helps tremendously with the streams. It helps me get some sponsors. And when I got sponsors, bro, we can do this forever. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make this like a forever thing, you know? That being said, let me quickly remember who won the last one. Spoiler alert. Ben Codes. Okay, I gave my streamer of the day to Ben Codes last time. Where was he? Ben Codes, here we go. Streamer favorite of the day. So, to recap, the last week we had... Yes. You guys remember this one? You guys all remember this one from last week? This one went crazy, bro, with the Minesweepers. This is what won last week's streamer favorite of the day. Man, I could just sit here and play Minesweepers all day, to be completely honest with you. God, how's it so good, you know? Bilal, good to see you, bro. So, that being said, there we go. Let's go. All right. So this was portfolio number 1 that won stream favorite of the day. And then the one that I picked was Ben Codes. Can you guys hear my throat's a bit sore? I'm not sick. I like got a bit of my like nasal spray in my throat the other day. Okay, so we are going to introduce the stream. And for that, I need you guys to say hello YouTube in chat. Today we are going to do around 15. I don't have as much time as I normally do. That's why I started the stream a bit early. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This will be the last one right here. So, oops, I'm going to do the YouTube intro. If you guys want to be in the YouTube video, now is the time to spam hello YouTube. Welcome back to the 6th official portfolio roasting session. In today's video, we're going to take you chats. In today's video, we're going to take your portfolios and rate them on a scale of 0 to 30 based on things like hireability, aesthetic, and how creative you were when you made them. And just a reminder, if you want to see all the portfolios we've reviewed in the past, the link will be in the description. And if you want to get your portfolio review, show up every Thursday to one of our portfolio roasting sessions. And you might get the chance to have your portfolio absolutely roasted. Nice. That was a nice quick intro. Make it nice and easy for me to edit. Yo, good to see you, McNello. Good to see you. All right. So we currently have, holy shit, we got a lot already. So the numbers go from 2 to 26. We're going to do our first roll. 2 to 26. We got 25. Who is that? Mr. Aush. So I have a new system now too. I realized someone tried giving me a phishing link one of the last times we did this. So now I have an off monitor thing where I quickly go and I look at all the links before, or not all the links, but the link I'm gonna review and click it so that, you know, if someone sends me some very sketchy site, you know. I hope you reach 100K ASAP. Dude, me too. If you guys like my content, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out the last portfolio review. We're almost at 100K subs. It's crazy. Get my thing. Okay, first one. First up, we have Aush. Wow, this is extremely simple. But simple isn't necessarily bad. So we know what you do. We know where you're based out of. We see your skills here. Contact. Yo, shout out for following me on Twitter, bro. Appreciate that. Yeah, okay. It's simple. I don't know why. I always click on people's Instagram. You can find my projects on GitHub. Okay. Yeah, it's simple. I mean, it doesn't really give me much information. It's almost like a mini link tree, which I guess is fine. But as like someone looking to like, you know, hire you, I don't think this helps at all. I'll like look at this and be like, okay, it's like a somewhat nice site. Like you have some mouse animation going on. Kind of gets a bit old after a while. I'd say hireability, it's like middle of the road. It's like a link tree. It's not like the most hireable thing in the world. Aesthetic, it's nice, clean. I'm gonna give it 5. And then creativity, like yeah, 5. It's like cool. I haven't seen one like this, but there's not too much going on here. If you know what I'm saying. All right. Yo, by the way, guys, I did a whole bunch of, I don't know if you guys know. Let me pick the next one. 229. Oh, I got to get rid of this one too. Got to remember that. So 2 to 28. For my new company hired, I did a whole shit ton of research into ATS and how to specifically bypass like resume blockers for software engineers when you apply to a job so your resume doesn't get thrown out as soon as you apply. Do you guys want me to do like a resume stream sometime as well? I was thinking about it. I was thinking about doing a resume stream sometime in the future. All right, Galdi, what you got? Let me check your site on another thing to make sure it's all legit. What does your portfolio look like? I don't have one. All I have is like a link tree thing, links.sistilli.dev. It's just like for my Instagram and stuff, just links. I got to update this. But I did make this myself. You can find it on one of my YouTube videos. I have. It's open source too, so if any of you guys need a link tree, you can just copy my code. All right. Galdi, Mohammed Galdi. I think that said that. Okay, that was a cute little thing. Whoa, what the fuck? Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, this is a bit like jarring. I built this website with Next 13. Aren't we? Isn't like Next 15 now in like release candidate? You could probably just update it. Probably won't be any different. Okay, cool. That's like, I guess, good information to know. Why do I have two? Whoa. Okay. Not too big of a fan of the styling here. And like not too big of a fan of the animations. It makes things like slow and like sort of hard to use. Oh my god, the scroll is kind of cracked. I'm like scrolling a tiny bit and it like scrolls for me. Okay, yeah, these animations like take up a lot of time. Like look at this. It's like, oh, what is this thing? Oh, I have to wait for a whole animation for every single one. Oh my god, and the scroll is like not natural at all. This is cool. Like the creativity and the ideas there. It's just the UX is like hard. It's not like a great experience. It's cool though. And it's unique. Hireability. Beautiful and functional web solutions. I don't know. If I were hiring you to make a website, would I want my website to be like this? The answer is probably not. But I did learn about you. I did learn about your stack, where you're based in and stuff like that. I'm going to give hireability like a 6. Aesthetic, just because the UX is a bit clunky and it doesn't feel great to use. You can drag the icons. Okay, I guess that's cool, but like, I don't know. It's a cool touch, I guess. Yeah, aesthetic, I'm going to give it like a 4.5. And creativity like a 6. It's cool what you're doing here, but it's not a great experience. Like the scroll is really off-putting. A lot of the animations take a long time. Like here, it's just small things like the border is rounded on the bottom left here, but it's not rounded on the top right or the top left or the bottom right. And it's just like kind of weird, you know? The text is like a bit big. There's not enough padding here. Like this arrow is not centered like where the thing is. So like it sort of feels like it's about to bleed into the white space. Also, again, you're mixing like rounded edges with not rounded edges. I know it's like I said, it's a bit nitpicky when it comes to the UX side of things. But if you're going to be like a web developer who builds beautiful and functional web solutions, these are the things I'm going to like critique it on, I suppose. I like what you're trying to do. It just, you're like on the right track. I'd say you're on the right track. You're getting there. It just needs, the execution just needs a bit of work to make this feel like smooth and easy to use, if that makes sense. But overall, pretty good effort. All right, 2 to 31. 2 to 31. 16. Who's that? Senal. Okay. Let's add you in there. Okay. Let's go. Oh, that was a cool animation. Okay, something's following my mouse. But it's not like just some static thing. So it's actually like, this is actually really entertaining to just use my mouse. This is like kind of crazy. Whoa, look at this. Oh, and it changes color too. Does it just change color based off time? Or is it like the more I move my mouse, it like causes the color change? Okay, looks like time. Anyways, I built things for the web. Read more about me. I wish instead of read more about me, is this just going to scroll for me? Yeah, no. I wish to just like, instead of built things for web, like senior web developer and then your location. And then I will just scroll naturally. I will just like, you know, scroll naturally. I love coding. I use my passion and skills to build web applications and experiences. I'm passionate about. Okay. Usually I don't like when someone has passion once on their site because, you know, it's like jargony and everyone says it. My boy has passion twice in here. That's pretty funny. It is nice though. I do like the UX despite using passion twice. Okay, this is nice. It's really clean. I'm like quite a fan of this actually. Maybe get a better like image that has like a natural resolution here. Cool. Click on this. It opens a new tab to your portfolio site. Nice. Is this work experience or are these projects? I can't really tell if you made these or if, you know, you were just involved in the making of some of these. Like, are you the guy that, are you like doing a bunch of side hustles and stuff like that? Or is this like actually like companies you've worked at and you've built like stuff there? Okay. Not going to read this. Probably not going to read any of this. Cool. I know what you do. Let's talk. Cool. What are these links? GitHub? Oh, GitHub, LinkedIn, IG. I always click on someone's IG, bro. If I see you have an IG in there, I always click on IG. Okay, you're private. Maybe you don't need to add IG here. Wait, your Twitter just goes to... I assume TW means Twitter, but it just goes to your application. Honestly, I would just replace... I get the aesthetic you're going for. I don't know. Maybe just have a GitHub icon, a LinkedIn icon. Send you an email. Okay, this is nice and clean. In terms of hireability, I wasn't exactly clear on your experience, right? Like, I don't know if you worked as an engineer here. I don't know if you have experience. I don't know if you've graduated, if you're a student, if you're just doing this as personal projects, if you've worked for 10 years. I didn't really get any of that here. I know what you do and what tech stack you are, but I don't have the complete picture. For hireability, it's going to be a 6. Aesthetic, I'm a big fan of the aesthetic. It felt clean. It felt smooth. It didn't feel overbearing. Felt really nice. I'm going to go ahead and give aesthetic like a 9. And creativity, I thought was pretty creative. I'm going to give it like an 8. It was quite nice. Overall, quite nice. We want to see Jared's profile, bro. You should, portfolio, you should be looking at Jared's bank account, bro. All right. Let me remove this. So we're going up to 32 again. Oh, whoops, 32. Where to submit? You see the pinned message? If you click on the pinned message, it goes to a form, my friend. Does it not? People are submitting, so I assume it works. Yo, guys, is the form not working? Does this not work? When you click on that? Oh, you have to click go to site, not back to YouTube. Yeah, it's fine, dude. Click on the link in the pinned message, then click go to site, and you're there. It's really misleading. I don't know why YouTube does that. I guess they don't want you to like go to another site, so they highlight the back to YouTube instead of go to site. Pretty funny. All right, number 4. Who's number 4? Supermoo.github.io. That is a promising. That's a very promising portfolio name. Supermoo. All right, Supermoo. Let's see what you got going on here. Okay. Front-end developer. Okay. I sort of dig the aesthetic so far. Let me make it a bit bigger for you guys. I'm digging the aesthetic. Let's scroll. Projects. Live. Okay, if everything has the live on it, do you really need the live tag? Mobile-friendly app to track birthdays. Okay, cool. Poke games. What is this? Guess the unknown Pokemon? Stronger or weaker? All right. Oh, okay. Now I understand why you have the live button. All right, bro. Enter my username. I'm going to play your Pokemon game. If it's good, you get bonus points. Guess the Pokemon. Guess the Pokemon from the blurred image. Stronger or weaker? Okay, let's start with guess the Pokemon. 1 or 2 rounds of this. Okay, so this is like Wordle or something, I'm guessing, right? I don't know. Okay, is this only Gen 1? Pikachu partner cap? Why are there so many Pikachus? Okay, this is not just Gen 1. I don't know anything past like Gen 3. I'm gonna go with Pinsir Mega. Oh my god, I got everything wrong, bro. Did you code this from scratch? This is pretty cool. I know I've seen something like this before. Yo, I'm gonna fucking lose. I need a hint or something, bro. Okay, so it's a single type, like a Squirtle? Oh my god. Bro, we need a hint or something, bro. We need a hint or something. Okay. See how, like, this guy for type 2, I don't know. Bro, does this go on for infinite? Dude, what? Yo, anyone have any guesses here? Okay, it's a single type. It can't be like a Moltres or something. A Pidgey? See, that's the thing. I was gonna guess Pidgey, right? But look, Pinsir Mega flying is off the chart. I don't know if that means the like non-flying's off the chart. Rock type, not Gen 1. Oh, I didn't realize Gen was one of the things. Yo, that's my bad. That's my bad. What's like a Gen 2 like Ariados? That's only bug, right? No, it's bug and poison. Am I fucked? Bruh. Okay, it's Gen 3. What's the Gen 3 grass starter? Is my cargo? Isn't that Gen? I can't remember what Gen that is. Yo, what's the Gen 3 Trico, right? Or something? Yeah. Come on. It's not Gen 3 either. My knowledge stops at Gen 3, bro. Try to find that type first. I feel like we've gone through so many types. Maybe it's like Ghost. Anyone know a Gen 4 Ghost type? Does anyone know a Gen 4 Ghost type here? Gen 4 Ghost type. Someone said Charmander. Someone said Charmander for a Gen 4 Ghost type, bro. What the fuck? Shuppet's not Gen 4. That's Gen 3, right? Dusknoir, Ghastly. Okay, Aegislash. Yeah. These are good. Aegislash. Okay, sure, YOLO. Habitat is null. I don't know how that helps. Dusknoir. Alright, bro. Alright. Listen. I tried another ghost type for some reason. And it's not Gen 4, it's Gen 5. It has to be Gen 5, right? We need a boomer version? Yeah, dude. I need a version that goes up to like Gen fucking 2. I don't know any Gen 5 things. I don't know, dude. And we don't want a ghost type either, right? What about dragon? What's like a dragon goes 5? Dragon Gen 5. Drudgeodon. Yeah, whatever the fuck this guy is. Come on, dragon? Ghost? Dude! It's a fairy type, isn't it? It's a fairy type. It has to be a fairy type. Right? We've tried almost everything, right? Okay, we haven't tried a lot of things. I realize we haven't tried a lot of things. Okay, we're looking at Gen 7 now. I don't know. What's a Gen 7 fairy? Chivalry or some shit. Wait, it's normal? It said fairy. It's Gen 7? Okay. Wait, I just tried Gen 7. Okay, maybe it's Gen 8. This is impossible. Who would ever get this like in decent time? Let's try ice type. A Gen 8 ice type. Glastrier. Never heard of this guy. Oh my god, we got the gen, we got the color, and the habitat. We just need the type, boys. We're so close. Ground. We haven't tried any like specifically ground person. Chivalry. Okay, is this like some new gen Eevee or some shit? There's like one of every type. Wait, is that even white? I guess it is white. Come on. Wait, that's the wrong gen. We've gone backward. Mousehold. Family of 3. What are these new Pokemon, bro? Wait, I think I broke it. Doesn't work. No. Mouse. God damn it. Mousehold. I tried that, right? Okay, here we go. Bruh. Bruh. Are we cooked, chat? We're looking for a white Pokemon with no secondary type from Gen, what is this, 8? Right? That's 8? Okay, here. Let's start over here. We're going to Gen 8. I wish I could just see Pokemon that like are specifically Gen 8. I want to see a dark type. Or, oh, yeah, we haven't tried dark, right? A white dark type? Does that make sense? Steel. Yo, right? He's white. It's probably steel. Like this guy. Is this guy Gen 8? Duradon? Okay, we got the right gen. Not dragon. Okay, it's dual type. I'm dumb. Chat, do we have no like Pokemon like one tricks here that could help out here? Metan? Try Wooloo? Wooloo? What type is that? Okay, it would be nice if I could see like the types and stuff on here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, right gen. We're still missing the wrong, it's still the wrong type. AI ChatGPT? Yo, say less, bro. Say less. Say less. Oh God. Hold on. I don't want to show my chats. I gotta get rid of the sidebar. Okay. We're back. Okay. I'm playing a Pokemon guesser. I need a Pokemon from Gen 8 white null habitat. Is null like a real habitat or is it just null because like the habitat wasn't put in here? I'm gonna omit the habitat thing. Okay. Only one type. Not ice dragon, ghost, steel, grass, fire, water, bug, psychic, electric. Okay, I didn't say not normal. Give me one guess for each type. We try normal as well. Okay, Phalanx? Is this the right gen? He's not white though, is he? Okay, it's not fighting either. Okay, we're on the right track. We will get this. I tried flying, right? Did I not? Jesus Christ. Gary and Weezing, Silicobra? Silicobra? Come on. It's on ground. Milcery? Oh, that's a good guess. Okay, we got the type. It's a fairy type. Okay, we need Gen 8 fairies. Here we go. Gen 8 fairies, bro. Which one of these guys looks white? And only has one type. This cake-looking thing? Alcremie? Oh, yeah, dude, this could be it. This could be it right here. Let's go, chat! Let's fucking go, chat! Yo, developer Linux, shout out to you, bro. Put us on the right track. Let's go, chat. I like blew out my fucking headphone when I screamed. Dude, I am not playing this again. Get out of here. Oh, can I not get rid of this so I can see like our guesses? You know what's crazy? I swear. Remember, we guessed one of them thinking it was a fairy type, but it turned out to be normal type in this game, even though it said fairy on the decks, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, yo. With chat and ChatGPT combined, bro, we're unstoppable. All right, I remember there's one other game I wanted to try. I know. We're spending a lot of time here. I know. I just want to try this stronger or weaker thing. Just once, okay? Okay, I have no idea what's going on here. I'm not gonna lie. What is this? Okay, I was just curious. I just wanted to know. I just wanted to know what it was like. Back to the portfolio. Okay, back to the portfolio. We've gotten off track. Chat. I can't remember whose portfolio we're reviewing here. Andre, Supermoo. Thank you for wasting our time, bro. But also, that was amazing. Thank you for making that great game. Yeah, were you the only contributor to this? You made this all from scratch, like yourself? Is there any way I can like see contributors? Damn, bro. Good job. Good shit. You sufficiently got me hooked, bro. I want to do a chat where we just do that for the entire for the entire stream. I want to do a stream where we literally only do that for the entire stream. Dude, you've built some awesome sites. This is sick. Chronological order. I like this. Okay, and you have your links up here. I'll shoot you a LinkedIn connection, bro. I'll shoot you a LinkedIn connection. I got you. Thanks for making the hardest Pokemon Wordle in existence. Give a hint next time. Or allow us to limit to Gen 3, please. I'm a boomer. I don't know these new Pokemon, bro. All right. So, yo, hireability, bro. I'm hiring you. I'm hiring you, bro. I like this. I like this a lot. Hireability, we're going to give you a straight up 8.5, bro. An 8.5. Aesthetic, I like the aesthetic. Creativity, it's creative. 8.5 as well. Whoops. Good shit, bro. Good shit. All right. Wow. I almost forgot what we were doing today, chat. We're going to 2 to 40. Where'd my RNG tool go? All right, Mr. 39. Bro, you're lucky. Bro just joined the stream, submitted his thing, getting in. All right. Delete this row. Has anyone gotten a perfect score yet? Someone got pretty close last time. If you watch the highlight video of the last stream, I'll link it in chat. Leave a comment so I can do more portfolio streams. The better these videos do, the better the highlights do, the more portfolio streams we can do. Because when why do I look so gray? Do you guys see this? Okay, I like forget the facial expression. But why does my face look so much more gray in that one than it does now? You guys see that? What the fuck? Is that how I'm gonna look when I edit this video into the highlight? Jesus. Yeah, someone almost got a perfect score last time. Highly recommend going and check that video out. Leave a comment, helps a lot. Okay, Mr. Andreja. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry, I'm dumb. Based in Serbia. Oh, I like this site. Oh, I like this. It's clean. It's clean. Current technologies, dude, great. Absolutely great. I haven't seen anyone that's gotten this good balance yet. It's called jaundice, excuse me. I haven't seen anyone that found a really good balance of showing your technologies in a way that is simple, clean, not overburdening, but also you somehow manage to like point out the technologies that mean the most. If I'm looking to hire a full stack developer or like a front-end web developer and you showed me all of this stuff, I'm like, this guy's perfect. He like fits exactly with the tech stack I need and he like has everything I need. And you have like exactly what each thing is. Brilliantly done. I'm actually very impressed by this. This is probably the best technologies thing I've seen. So simple, so to the point. And I'm like, because you didn't list every technology under the sun, I know what you specialize in. It's all modern technologies that I personally use. So I'm a huge fan of this. Okay, nice. Whoa, where did this just take me? Is this another page in your portfolio? That's pretty cool. Live demo source code. Okay, maybe a bit too much animations going on with the thing down here, but yes, I too have used, was it like Magic UI? Is this Magic UI or Ace Eternity or whatever it's called? Schedule a call. Okay. Got it. Okay. So back here, see, again, this is another thing. I don't know if you are, I don't know if you like worked at these companies or if you made these as projects. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Pretty cool, pretty simple. See my work, download CV. Nice. Okay. Now that I know how resumes work and I know how like ATS works and stuff like that, I will say resume needs a lot of work, bro. Resume needs a lot of work. That being said, okay, so these are all projects. That's something I didn't get from your portfolio site. I don't know if you're a student. I don't know if you're an actual developer. I don't know if this is projects or if this is work experience. That being said, the site is beautiful, dude. I fucking love what you've done here. So well done. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give you a higher ability, like a 7.5. Some small things you need to fix here. No, actually, I'm giving you an 8. I'm giving you an 8 just because the technology. I'm giving you an 8.5 just because the technology thing was so nice, bro. Aesthetic, I'm giving this a 10. I love the aesthetic. Creativity, like a 9. Really nice portfolio. I really enjoy this. It's so simple, so clean, yet it conveys the information I need. Higher ability is just missing like understanding what you do. I'm sure once you get real work experience and stuff like that, that'll all fix itself and stuff like that. Honestly though, it's very solid, so clean. Like you know how to like add a nice personal touch. And you know, I know you're using like the Ace Eternity, like you know, animations and shit, but a lot of people have trouble finding that balance between having some animations and just fucking using all the goddamn animations and finding simplicity. You're making it more simple by adding the animations, which is beautiful to me. Really nice shit, dude. Really nice stuff. Okay, where are we? We are going from 2 to 42. 35. All right, Mr. 35. Who do we got here? Okay, another Ace Eternity. Let's go. Cool. All right. Okay, this is pretty good. Dude, guys, is this a recorded video? Yes. Yes, this is. All right. Is it just me or have the portfolios been getting like better over time, like in general? Jewelry view. I'm sorry. I'm not even gonna pretend. Like I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce your last name. Okay. This is cool. Building, beautiful, modern, fast, user friendly. I usually don't like this type of animation. I'm going to let this one pass just because this doesn't give me any real information anyway, so I don't feel like sitting here watching it. All you're missing from this first view is the location. I know you're a web developer. I see your name. I just wish there was a location here. That would help a lot. Live docs. Okay. Is this a project? What did I just click on? What is this? Is this your project or something? My technologies, nice. Cool. Okay, it's simple, it's clean, I like that. Missing a bit of information. I don't really know where you are, what you do. I guess I know what you do, you're a web developer. The site's very clean though, very beautiful. And the skills is also done in like a pretty nice way. It's just a bit lacking. Like, I didn't realize this was your only one and only project or whatever. The site looks amazing though. I'm gonna say higher ability, maybe like a 7. Aesthetic, like a 9. Creativity, probably like an 8. A bit plain, but like simple and like honestly, it looks pretty good. Okay, this slightly looks a bit less on some breakpoints, but that's not a big deal. Not a big deal. That was Joe. All right. All right. Well, 2 to 42 again. 31. Dude, Google's biased to people in the 30s. All right. Bro linked at www. Bro linked at www. Let's see what we got going on here. Holy shit, we're at 125 people. I don't think the stream has ever hit 125. Thank you guys for watching. Just want to put that out there before I do this next portfolio review. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the stream, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to support the stream, hit that join button below. Become a code super supporter. And also make sure you guys check out the last portfolio highlight video and leave a comment. It helps tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. And the more better our highlight videos do, the more streams I can make because I get sponsorships. And once I get sponsorships for the highlight videos, I'm trying to get 1 sponsorship for every video. If those videos keep doing well and I keep getting sponsors, I can keep doing more of these. So, all right. Vishal is a full stack developer. Bro's referring to himself in like third person. Okay. He is fueled by simplicity, IKEA plants, and the world. Chat, what does this mean? What does it mean to be fueled by an IKEA plant? Can anyone in chat explain what it means to be fueled by IKEA plants, please? I would love to know. Okay. The next thing I notice here is my blogs. This better take me to like some next level shit. Okay. Okay, why is this not sorted chronologically? That's kind of weird. Okay. You have stuff here. Usually I don't like people linking to their blogs if they don't have any information there, but you do. Okay. So this is just like sort of a resume port. He meant weed. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. There's only one way to find out. Time to connect with our boy. What does it mean to be fueled by an IKEA plant? All right, chat. In around one business day, we should get a response about what it means to be fueled by an IKEA plant. Yo, Levent. Welcome to the Code Super Supporter, bro. Because you are now a Code Super Supporter, I will review your portfolio next. Just tell me, you won't be able to link in the chat because YouTube blocks links, but just tell me, can I like just find Levent? Is this one yours? Just confirm me. Okay, I don't need you to confirm. It's pretty obvious this one's yours. I will do yours next for becoming a Code Super Supporter. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. Okay. Right, we're looking at this. Okay, a lot of text here. It's not really great for larger screens, but that's fine. Professional experience, nice. Okay, you also have work here. How does work differ from professional experience? Maybe you meant to put this as projects. I know you have like a bunch of these bullet points. I'm guessing is from like your resume and stuff like that. Maybe condense this down into like 1 or 2 sentences at most. Because it kind of, especially when you have white text, like plain white text on top of like a dark background, it makes it a bit hard. You know what I'm saying? My blogs. Okay. My gallery. What the fuck is this? Okay, you do photography too. See, this is sort of bordering on like a personal site as like a here's who I am, and like a portfolio site of here's who I am. You know what I mean? Like a portfolio site is like, I'm a full stack web developer. Here's the cool Pokemon game I made, right? A personal site is like, hey, I really like IKEA plants. Here's some photos I took on the weekend. You know what I mean? Kind of want to like find a bit of a balance here. I'm going to go ahead and say, in terms of hireability, I'm going to give it like a 6.5. Aesthetic, I'm going to give it like a 7.5. It's nice. I like the style you're going for. The only thing is like not really optimized for like a bigger screen, and also a lot of text, a lot of like plain white text on black background. It just makes things a bit hard to read. I like the creativity though. I'll give you a high score on creativity because it is really unique. It is unique. I'm Levent Otta. Bro, Levent. I hope I'm saying your name right, bro. If I'm not, I'm sorry. I'm just dumb. You got impersonators, bro. You're big now, bro. You're a big timer. All right. Let's see what you got, Levent. Oh my god, I just opened in the wrong tab. Whoops. Okay. Actively looking for a job. Download my CV. This is the first thing. There's a lot of like colors here competing for my attention. I'm not gonna lie. There's so many colors that jump out. It's like you're using like 5 different highlighter colors, and everything is like jumping out at me at the same time. So it's hard to know where to look. There is such a thing as like too much highlighting. Actively looking for a new job. Download my CV. I'm gonna download your CV. Wait, this doesn't do anything when I click it. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm sorry, bro. I'm clicking on this and it's not doing anything. I'm going to click on the top right. I'm able to download it. Oh, but it opens it up in like this. It doesn't open it up. Okay, resume definitely needs work. Not going to lie. But that's for another stream. Okay. Light mode. Okay. Cool. Why does this highlight and like hover if I can't click it? Okay. So you have the right information here, right? You have the right information on the screen, where you're from, what you do. I'm a full stack developer for almost 10 years. Maybe get chat. I know you're probably not like a native English speaker, and that's completely fine. But for stuff like this, like especially if you're trying to get hired by like maybe an American company, for example, it's worth it just getting ChatGPT to like grammar check this kind of stuff. Specialize on high availability, scalable performance, CRM, European application. Perfect. All of this is great. The information here you present here is exactly the like perfect information that I want to know. The problem is so many things are competing for my attention here, right? Like this is highlighted. This is highlighted at the top. Like even your profile picture has like an orange border. This has a different hue of like orangish border. Then you have the blue things, all the link. Half of the links are highlighted one way. Half the links are highlighted with different underscores. I guess this is like a tooltip. This is like a gradient and stuff like that. There's just so much to look at here. That you have the right information. It's just not prioritized properly on the UX side. Yeah. Okay. You use PHP for backend. You're old school, eh? I also know Vue, but I'm not a fan of it. I get it. It's like cheeky, but you know, I don't know if it's worth putting it on there. You know what I'm saying? I think like being a cheeky developer and having a lot of like developer-esque opinions is great once you get the job. But like if I'm hiring you and like me and my internal team are like deciding whether or not we should make our new front end on like Vue or this, and we have to hire someone that's okay with both, I don't want to like have my corporation make the decision to use Vue and then we hire you and then you're just like going to complain about it the entire time. Other technologies. Okay, cool. You could probably simplify this a bit. I don't think it needs to be like icon, name, and then like 30 pixels of padding. My journey looking for your new job. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that, bro. Get rid of that. I like the UI. I like the UI elements. There's just so much like going on here. All right. Okay, this goes to your CV. Wait. That's so weird. Where'd you go? Okay, cool. Wait, this is the wrong one. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah. Overall, it's very like hit and miss, right? Hireability, you have some really good like things for hireability, but then there's also like some things that need to be improved on, like the highlighting. I'd say hireability is probably sort of high. It's like an 8. You have all the right information, but the aesthetic, the aesthetic is nice, but the UX is not great because there's so many things that are highlighted. So it's going to be a 6 for aesthetic. Creativity, like a 7. Just some small things that need to be polished and cleaned up here. A lot of potential though. A lot of potential for sure. A lot of potential for sure. All right, who we got next? We are going from 2 to 45. Who is the lucky person? 38. Dude, Google's rigged, bro. We have gotten someone in the 30s like 4 times in a row now. We've gotten someone in the 30s like 4 times in a row. What chair are you using? Is that the Embody? Yeah, it's the Herman Miller Embody or whatever. Honestly, I don't know if it's worth the money. I'm going to be real. I know I shouldn't say that in case they ever want to like, you know, sponsor me one day. In which case, I love this chair, bro. Herman Miller, I love this chair. Chat, the chair's okay. Probably not worth the $2,000. Not gonna lie. Is this a portfolio site? Let me make this bigger for you guys. Okay, what's going on here? So it's like a terminal. I get it. All human bot reserved. Welcome to my terminal portfolio, version 0.01. For a list of commands, type help. I'm gonna type the actual terminal commands, like it's fucking Linux or something. Okay, I type CD. Okay, there's a couple issues here. One, it doesn't scroll every time I type something. And what that means is every time I type something, I have to manually scroll down. Also, if you're gonna make a terminal style portfolio, I'm just saying, I'm gonna try terminal commands, you know? If you're making a terminal style portfolio, I'm gonna try terminal commands. And when it doesn't work, and the only command I can do is help. Also, when I click enter, like the padding changes on this, and I have to scroll down manually. So I have to type help, and then I have to type all of this, which sort of, I don't know, sort of defeats the purpose of it. Let's try some of these commands here. Oh my god, this is so annoying that I have to scroll down. Okay, I typed me and it just like gave me a whole... I guess I'm not gonna lie, that's my fault. I typed me. I don't know what I expected. I should have expected like a bunch of, like a paragraph of text. What would I want to do here? Banner? What does that do? Okay. View command history. Why would I use that? History? Wait, the history command doesn't work. Also, there's no padding here. This is like very jarring to use. Skills is the only thing with capitalization here. If I type lowercase, will it still work? Okay, it does. So if I type uppercase, it also works. Education. Do you have projects or anything? Are there like projects? Is there like anything I can really view here? Edu? I guess education. Maybe you're a student. Okay. Wait, you graduated. Do you have any projects or anything? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and say higher ability is like a 3. I feel like I really had to work for information. And then once I did that work and I expected the information, I didn't get any of the, like what I expected. Aesthetic, like a 5. I don't know. Like it's really hard to use. There's like padding issues. The whole scroll thing is really offsetting. The whole, like, I type something and it starts like over here, but then when I click enter, it like, see that? See how like it just like moved itself? Yeah, not a fan of the aesthetic at all. Creativity. I've seen terminal portfolios before. I'm gonna put it at 5 though. I can tell that you tried to like, you made this from scratch, and you put like, you know, blood, sweat, and tears into it. Yeah, Kingdom put it well. Good concept, execution needs work. 150 viewers. Yo, this is our new record. I don't think we've gotten over 150 before. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are enjoying, make sure you hit that subscribe. If you want to support the stream and get your portfolio reviewed without using RNG and without having to get lucky, you can become a code super supporter by clicking that join membership button below. And I'm going to plug the last highlight for the last video. Highly recommend you guys go here, leave a comment on this video, watch it. This is the highlight from last week's portfolio review. I don't know why I look so gray, but you guys commenting on the highlights and boosting the highlights videos up helps a lot. I'm trying to get a sponsor for every single highlight video. So the more sponsors I can get, the better these videos do, the more sponsors I can get, and the more I can do this every week until we're all 50 years old. And then we'll be looking at our retirement portfolios. You know what I'm saying? Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, we're at 47. So 2 to 47. If it's another thing in the 30s, you guys you guys have the right to say it's rigged. There we go. 8. Number 8. No longer rigged. No longer rigged. All right. What do we got going on here? Yo, I'm Darl Traballo. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? You guys see that? I have like a habit of like dragging images, but when I drag this image, it's like some evil Bulbasaur or some shit. You're a Pokemon fan? Bro, where were you when we were doing the Pokemon guessing game, dog? We needed you. Maybe you were in chat and I just don't remember your name. Game developer Unity, you're in the Philippines. Okay, nice. I know what you do. 21 years old. Cool. Resume, you have all the stuff here I need. I'd say get rid of the proficiency thing and just replace it with how much experience you have. Also, I feel like Unity, oh, okay, they're separated. Got it. Also, I feel like if you don't have that much experience, it kind of hurts your case if the majority of your technologies have like under 1 year, under 1 year, under 1 year. In that case, I would recommend maybe getting rid of proficiency and experience altogether and just list the technologies and the stuff like that. Get rid of the, like, this would make sense if you had like a ton of like really sick experience and stuff like that. But if I'm going to open every single one of these and just see that you're a beginner, it doesn't really help your case. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather just leave it out. It's like that old thing where you have a bad GPA. Like my GPA in university was horrible. If you have like a GPA that's under like a 3.7 or something, the recommendation is like, don't add it to your resume. Just leave GPA out. You know what I mean? Like I would not put my like 2.7 or whatever GPA on my resume. I hate slime green. Yeah, I don't know what's going on in the background here. No way. You've created another fucking Pokemon thing too? This looks cool. This looks like one of those old like Here's My Magic style maps. Is this live? Can I click this? Can I go to your GitHub or anything? No, I can't click on anything. I can't, or, whoa, this is so trippy. Okay. I don't really like the animation, not gonna lie. Pokemon Battle Scene clone, bro. Let me play it, bro. Okay. Higher ability, I'm gonna say it's like a 5.5 because you give me the information I need. But the problem is, maybe it's almost a bit too much information, right? It's almost a bit too much information. And also, like, I'd like the ability to, like, click on, like, at least go to the GitHub repo or something if I want to check out something you've built in the past. Aesthetic, I'm going to give it, like, a 6. I'm not the biggest fan of the aesthetic, not going to lie. The slime green, the, like, styles and stuff like that. But it's, like, middle of the line. It wasn't bad enough to make me, like, consciously realize it without looking at chat and seeing someone talking about the slime green thing. But, yeah. And then creativity, yeah, like a 6. It's like middle of the road. It's middle of the road. Alrighty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chat. We are doing 5 more portfolios. The last 2 will always be RNG because, you know, I don't want someone to subscribe and then we don't have enough time. So if you want to guarantee that your portfolio is reviewed and you have the disposable income to support the stream, if you become a Code Super supporter by clicking that join button below, I will review yours in one of these 3 slots. Otherwise, the last 2 will always be RNG. And then after I review these 5, chat, the best part of the stream begins. That is when you guys get to vote on your streamer, on the stream favorite of the day. And I get to vote on my stream. I already know who I'm picking for my stream favorite of the day. It might surprise you guys, okay? It's going to surprise you, but I already know who I'm going to pick for my streamer favorite of the day. But you guys get to vote for the stream favorite of the day, the chat favorite. I should just call it chat favorite of the day, honestly. It's so much easier if I just call it chat favorite of the day. Okay, how much we got here? 50, so we're going to 2 to 50 now. Number 34, another 34. I feel like one of those bingo callers for like an elderly home. All right, Mr. Sual, what you got going on here? Wait, oh, we did this one. We did this one, didn't we? No, I just opened the wrong link. Did I just open the wrong link? Yeah, I opened the wrong link. That's not bad. All right, Mr. Sual, let's check it out. Okay, very simple aesthetic, I guess. Enter search term. Wait, you have a search on your portfolio? Oh my God, look at all this text. I sort of understand why there's a search thing here. I don't know, chat. What's some like weird shit I should search for? Passion. Let's search for passion. Yo, I was memeing. I did not think we were going to get 6 results for passion on bro's portfolio. Does this actually go in here if I click this? Yo, okay. I'm like memeing. I was just like fucking around with the search thing. Kind of cool, not gonna lie. Kind of cool once you use it. I don't think a recruiter or someone hiring would ever do that. But like, I find it cool. I don't know, Pokemon? You're a Pokemon fan? GPA. Coding. Wait, GPA? Coding passion? Oh my God. Hashtag coding passion. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Events. Okay. There's a lot going on here, but at the same time, there's like not that much going on here. There's just so much text. I've been like fixating on the chat thing. I'll be honest. I've been fixing on the chat thing because I saw how much text there is down here, and I've been like avoiding scrolling down. But we're just gonna bite the bullet here. Half a decade of programming experience. How much is half a decade? How much is a decade? A decade's 10 years, right? So half a decade is just 5 years? Right? Am I tripping? Right? This is just me. 5 years of programming experience? For some reason, half a decade sounds so much more impressive than it actually is. Right? 2,000 years. Okay. Developed and maintained over 94 open source projects. What the fuck? Author development books? Bro, are you some like next level open source guy? Upcoming software engineer? I feel like 99 repositories. Wait a second. Hold on, bro. When you say developed and maintained over 94 open source projects, are you just saying that you have 94 projects? Are you just saying that you have 94 repositories on your GitHub? Are you telling me that you maintain all of these? Where's your commit history? Bro, I'm sorry. There's no way you're maintaining 94 different projects with like 3 commits a day, right? There's no way, right? One commit. There's no way you're maintaining 94 repos, bro. And you commit a bunch of private repos too? I don't know, bro. I don't know. This whole section here, half a decade of program experience, 94 open source. It sort of feels like you're flexing a bit, but you're flexing in the wrong way. You know what I'm saying? Like when I see numbers this outrageous, I sort of want to fact check it. You know what I mean? If you're just like, I love publishing stuff to open source, I'm like, great, that's awesome. If I see developed and maintained over 94 open source projects, I don't know about that one. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting more good information about who you actually are from reading your GitHub thing. Like, I feel like this teaches me more about you than your portfolio site does. Like, why can't we have this nice basic information here instead of like all this stuff? You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Okay, you have blogs. I don't get what these numbers are. Okay, these are the blog numbers, I guess. I don't know. It just feels like this is structured so like weirdly. Like, do I really need numbers here? Your projects are like below all this like experience. You say you're working 2 jobs at the same time. Like you're working at both of these companies. You're an intern in 2 places at the same time. How does that work? I don't know. This sketches me out. I feel like you're trying so hard to like prove stuff and like peacock your experience that it sketches me out more than not. These are the books you've created. You can listen to the book. Wait, it's a 7-minute listen? I'm reading Way of Kings, and I heard it's like a 41-hour audiobook. But this book is a 7-minute read? How many pages is it? Is there like a page count? 155 pages? Wait, and also, this should open in a new link, bro. This shouldn't like take me from there. Oh, this is a summary. Okay. This is a summary. Okay. Coding mastery. Beyond rendering. Okay. How to code any feature question mark? Yeah. Kind of a sus title, not gonna lie. The power of LLMs and dynamic knowledge bases? I don't know what you do. I'm so confused. It feels like you're the most like OP god tier open source contributor in the world that knows everything about like everything. But at the same time, like one commit a day. I'm sorry. I'm just too fucking confused here. I'm just too confused here, bro. I feel like I wish I never saw the portfolio site and I only saw the GitHub. This is like, okay, this dude's a student and he's really interested in programming. That's sick. That's cool. But this confuses me. Testimonials? One of your testimonials is a god level developer with a great and humble personality. I can't listen. You could be the nicest. You might be the nicest person I've ever met. But I don't know if humble is the way I would like describe this portfolio. It's like, look, maybe you really are like a god tier programmer and you're actually like an amazingly nice person. It could be. Like, I don't want to say you're not. All I'm saying is I think the average person that might look at this, might not be as willing to give you the benefit of the doubt as like I have. I don't know. Higher ability, I'm gonna give this like a 4. Aesthetic, a 4. Creativity, like a 6. I don't think I would hire you. I would be too afraid to hire you. I'd be too afraid. There's too much stuff going on here. Like you're working at 2 places at once. You published a bunch of books. You're a god tier programmer. I just don't know what's going on here. I'm too afraid. I'm sorry. Like I said, you could be a god tier programmer. I'm not gonna say you're not. You could run circles around me and like I'm not saying you don't. Right? You could be like a way better programmer than I am. I'm not like, getting rid of that person, like that possibility. It's just very sus. All right. We're going 2 to 50 again. 28. Number 28. Corey Parish. All right. What do we got going on here? I should put this RNG thing in. Yeah, there we go. Actually, I should have this here too. Okay. Mr. Corey. Yo, Max! Holy shit, my computer started lagging. Can you guys see the streams lagging as soon as I opened this guy's portfolio? Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo, thank you, Max, for becoming a code super supporter. Max, if you have, oh my God, what's going on here? Okay, we'll get to that in a sec. Max, if you have a portfolio, can I find your portfolio? I see one Max. Is this you? Are you Max Tull? Just hit me with a yes or no in chat, Max. And I'll do yours next. Otherwise, let me know the name of the site. Don't link it, just the name of it. Otherwise, YouTube will block it. My boy Max, if you have a portfolio here. If you joined because you just want to support the stream, I appreciate that. Max, it is yours? Okay, we're adding yours next up. Here you go, bro. Okay, Mr. Corey. Okay, this made the stream like 5 times laggier as soon as I opened this. I don't even know what's going on. I'm just like so distracted by this animation. Creative developer. I am a developer and designer with a multicultural background, having lived in diverse locations. Is it really worth it to call your locations diverse? Like, does that add anything? And California, currently working as an independent creative based in Los Angeles. Okay. Cool. There's the time. I don't know why that helps. Wait, so you're a developer. What kind of developer? Okay. I feel like I'm not getting good experiments. Okay. I like instinctively my mouse goes where I'm trying to read, and like the effect is really cool for the first like 3 minutes. And then like, or for the first like 30 seconds. And now I just want to like read your portfolio. But like, it's very hard and very distracting. Oh no, I clicked view. Okay, this opens a thing in, okay, it opens it up, but like half the stuff is like overlapping on itself. The layout of this is so weird. Why can I scroll so far down the footer? Like this is where the site ends, but I can scroll all the way down here for some reason. And the thing stops. The animation stops as soon as I pass like an invisible point. I feel like this is trying. Whoa. Okay, I don't know. I feel like this is trying to be very like Fashion Week, but it's giving off more like Kenny versus Spenny like fashion show. Wait, why? Core tools. I thought you would have a little thing about like your experience using those tools, but instead you just describe what the tools are, which doesn't help me understand anything about you at all. Do you have work experience here? Okay. Menu. There's a menu up top. I didn't even notice that. Home and portfolio. Isn't portfolio what I'm looking at? Is this a whole new thing? Please no. Why is there a loading thing? Wait, there's two loading things. There's a loading thing on the bottom left. Chat was covering it. Wait, this just brings me to this one little page? I waited for that whole loading thing just to come back to this one thing that's already on the other thing? Wait, there's a next button. I don't know about this one. I'm sorry. And the previous thing's up here, but the next button's like all the way down here. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Yeah, Corey. Hireability, I'm putting this as like a 3. The only thing I learned from being on your site is what time it was in Los Angeles that New York and California are considered diverse places. And like I learned, I don't know what prismic.io is. Anything under a 5, by the way, for hireability means I like actively am less likely to hire you after seeing like your portfolio, I guess. Aesthetic, I'm putting this as like a 4. Creativity, it's creative. I'll give you that. It's creative. I don't know. I think a 4 might even be generous for aesthetic. I'm not gonna lie. It's like I don't know. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just trying to be like realistic here. The site feels like the design is like pretentious, but like pretentiously bad. Pretentiously like hard to use. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. I hope I didn't offend you, bro. I'm not trying to offend you. I'm just trying to give you some realistic advice so that you don't like brick like a recruiter's computer when they click on your portfolio site. I don't even know if you're still in chat or not, but yeah. All right, Max. I'm very excited for yours. I saw someone in chat says yours was sick. Had 3. Someone said I had 3 seizures with that cursor. Man, I'm not even epileptic. Yeah, chill, bro. Holy shit. That made me laugh. All right, Mr. Max. Okay. What you are, who you are, where you're based in. I like it already. 19-year-old software developer. Okay. Am I going to find the word passion here somewhere? Yep. Probably not going to read the rest of this. Beanbot for Fall Guys, a Discord bot that provides features for Fall Guys. That's pretty cool. Oh, I didn't even realize I could scroll. For stuff like this, carousel stuff, to make it more obvious that you can scroll, sometimes a lot of people will like maybe cut one of the items off halfway. I'm curious how this works on smaller screens. Okay, interesting. There's no image for this one. There's no image for either of these two. Okay. What is this? Unreal Engine projects, I'm assuming? Honestly, like, why are these the ones that are featured? Like, I get the Beanbag guys, but maybe, like, I feel like these ones are so much cooler. At least, like, on a first look. Wait, this is sick. Fortnite motion capture? How's that even work? Can I, like, use this? Oh my god, this is sick. This looks like it's an official plugin for, like, Fortnite or some shit. That's cool. Experience. Okay, this should be skills, maybe. Okay, I guess I understand why you put that as experience. Okay. This is nice, simple. Cool. Cool, yeah. It's, like, very simple, and it really puts a lot of emphasis because of its simplicity on the things you've done, which I like. Because you've done cool stuff. Hireability, I'd say it's like a 7. I got the information I'm looking for. Aesthetic, it's clean. I give it like a 6.5. And creativity, like a 6.5 as well. It's pretty basic. Overall, I'm a fan of it. I think once you get cooler, like once you get like work experience and you have like stuff I can click on that's like a real demo and stuff like that, it'll be really sick. Cool. All right. The last two portfolios will be RNG from this point onward. So let's see what we got here, chat. We are going, did I remove Max from here? Let me remove this. We are going from 2 to 51. 2 to 51, right? 2 to 51. Yep. 2 to 51, Mr. 20. Who do we got on 20? Corey Watson. Let me open it up on my other monitor. Make sure someone didn't send me an NSFW site that's going to get my entire stream taken down. I am surprised. One person sent a phishing site the other day. Or like one of the last streams. But I'm surprised nobody has sent me anything to try to get me canceled yet. And that's not a challenge. That's not a challenge. Please do not do that. That will be the last stream. I'm just surprised that nothing has happened yet. I'm not asking for it. I shouldn't have even mentioned it. I've probably planted the idea in people's minds now. Oh, is this like some Star Wars thing? Hello, I'm Corey Watson. I am a developer. I'm a developer, bro. What kind of developer? 22-year-old junior software engineer, Northeast England. Okay, I don't really want to read all this. I'm not going to lie. I work on maintaining and improving platforms such as Google Cloud and working. Okay, I like the sort of theme you got going on, like the whole Star Wars like text. Whoa, that was a weird scroll. Okay, this is like a whole timeline thing. Okay, concept-wise, right? Concept-wise, this is cool. In terms of hireability, I'm doing like mental math now, right? Like shit, how much experience does he have with JavaScript? It says he picked up in mid-2020. Mid-2020, that's 1, 2, 3. Was that 4? Is that 4 years of experience with JavaScript? And like what? A couple months with TypeScript? Like, I have to, I guess, do mental math to find like basic information about you, which, like I said, very cool concept. Not the best for hireability. What is this? Oh my god, wait. I thought I could scroll here because there's a scroll bar, but then when I tried to scroll, it just took me to the next section. Auto transition on, off. Yeah, let me just read this. Not a fan of how slowly this moves. Am I learning anything from this? I don't know. It's sort of weird. Like the scroll's in like a weird place, and I have to use the scroll bar because if I scroll, it goes to the next section. I feel like maybe less text and more like what you used, and like what you used doesn't have to be like these giant blocks of like white things. It could just be like little tags. Like I'm more interested in like When did you do this project? What technologies did you use? Like, is this like a company? Did you just make this? It's kind of hard to get that and then get in touch. Oh, and it starts over again. Okay, that's a cool detail. Okay. Higher ability, I'm gonna say it's a 5. It was like neutral. Maybe like a 5.5. I don't feel like I learned that much about you. Like the technologies part felt general because there was such a broad array of technologies. I don't know what you specialize in. Aesthetic, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 6. It's cool, but there are so many things that are like aesthetically off, right? Like the whole scroll thing going on here. I don't like how this is just like a big white rectangle with like a video in there. And like, I don't know. It's just a bit weird. And then creativity though. Creativity is like a 9 for sure. For sure. Creativity is really high. That was extremely creative. I'm waiting for a Rickroll on stream. Bro, we got Rickrolled like 3 times. I think it's in one of the previous highlight videos. And I'm not just using this as an excuse to plug the last highlight thing so that you guys could comment and hopefully... Bro, we're still only at 5 comments. Please, if you guys have the bandwidth, check out my last highlight video. We just posted it. Comment on that shit. Help get these highlight videos out there so like we can do more portfolio streams, you know? All right, chat. We are on the last portfolio before you guys have an important job, which is to vote for your favorite of the stream. That is the most important part of the stream, the best part of the stream. We're going 1 to 52 again. Whoops. 1 to 52, and we land on number 17. Utah Abe. The last portfolio of the stream. Coding, anyway, see, I got you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate any comments on the last video. It helps tremendously. I'm going to pin it for you guys. Oh my God, what's going on here? I feel like I've seen a site like this before. This is sort of cool though. I'm a front-end developer working in Tokyo, Japan. It's sort of good that your whole name is like a bit unreadable because it made it so that the only thing I could read was this thing on the bottom left. You got brilliant sponsorship? Yes, I did, bro. We got brilliant sponsorship for the last one. That's why I really want the video to do well. If Brilliant, they're my first YouTube sponsorship. If they see that we got a sponsorship, or if they see the video does well, they will sponsor more of my videos, and I can do this portfolio review stuff forever, guys. I'm a front-end developer working in Tokyo, Japan. Okay. This is really cool. Welcome to portfolio. Okay. This is like an experience. I sort of dig it. Website development. Okay, cool. Whoa, this is so trippy. Enter? What does that do? Holy shit. Role development. Okay, this is so sick. But I feel like it's missing some basic information. Okay, it also links nowhere. Wow. Okay. Shit, this stuff is so cool. But like, I'm not really learning anything. Like, the aesthetic is like beautiful. The site feels like an acid trip. That's pretty accurate. I feel like I didn't really learn much about you, but the site was like an amazing experience. I'm going to go ahead and say higher ability, like a 5. We need more information. What technologies did you work on those projects? Like, is this work experience? How long did you work for? All the other stuff, right? Aesthetic is like a 9. And creativity is like a 9. It looked really cool. All right, chat. It is time to vote. We're going to round up the 4 highest rated portfolios of the stream and vote for the chat favorite of the day. I guess we got number 1, right? That's 27. Next is a 26 with my boy Supermoo. Then we got 24. Anything beat 24? Nope. We got 24. Shit. What? Did I already do that? 24. Okay, chat. We have a tie for 4th place, I think. Oh, wait, no. And a 26. Wait, 27, 24, 6, 24. And then we have 2 23s. Chat, real quick, I need you guys to vote on the 2 23s. So we know who to include in the finals. I'm going to make a poll. So the 2 23s. Oh man, the stupid poll options. Okay, I'm just gonna put the names. Oh wait, there's a 25? Oh, we don't have to do it? Did I miss one? Where's the 25? There's a 25. This one was from the last stream. Sorry. The ones below this orange is where we the ones below this orange. So these are the ones we did. These guys right here are the ones that we did. So I think we still needed the don't second. What? It's these ones, right? Like these are the only ones. There's no 25 here. Pretty sure, right? Am I going crazy? All right, we're gonna start the poll. We need to choose between chat. You guys got to choose between Utah. So Utah is the one we just reviewed. It's like the trippy acid trip one that we looked at. And then Sandkalp is the one with the cool, like mouse animation. He doubled down on the passion and had some experiences, if you guys remember. So cast your votes. Are we doing either A, Utah, or B, Sandkalp? I'll leave the poll up for a minute. And then once whoever wins that will join the finals with everyone else. So as a reminder, Utah, the Japan acid trip, Sandkalp, the passion squared. It's a close race. 58 to 44. Holy shit. It's a close race. We got 30 votes. If you're watching and you have not voted yet, please make sure you vote. Make sure you vote. All right. Oh my God. Why do you guys always make it so hard? It's a 50-50. We got 9 comments now. Yo, bless you guys, bro. Bless you guys. I appreciate that. Glad it helped. All right. After I finish replying to these comments, we will be doing the finals. Yo, Coding NYC, appreciate the comment, bro. Prasoon, appreciate the comment. Damon, appreciate you. Thanks for watching. All right, we're ending the poll. Sandkalp makes it in 55% of the vote. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our finals. We have our finals. I'm going to make the finals poll, and then I will go ahead. Who wins chat fave of the day? All right. Let me add all of these to the poll, and then I'll introduce you guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our finalists decided. First up, we have Andreja. Who had a beautifully simple yet straight to the point portfolio that has honestly one of the best aesthetics I've seen. Next up, we have Vishal, who created a pretty decent portfolio, a bit cluttered and stuff like that, but it feels like an experience. You feel like you get to know him and everything that he stands for. After that, we have Jory. Jory? Oh my God, wait, did I fuck it up? God damn it, I fucked it up. Hold on. Yes. This one's not supposed to be there, I think. Right, Vishal? Yes, that's my bad. I was like, wait a second. Sorry. We redo. Okay. New poll. Bam. Okay. That's my good catch. Supermoo. All right. Man, YouTube poll like actually sucks, dog. All right, chat. We'll do this again. All right, we have our top 4 participants for the chat favorite of the day. First up, we have Andreja, who created such a simple yet beautiful, sleek-looking portfolio. After that, we have Andre, or Mr. Supermoo, who created a very nice experience, and the guy that created a Pokemon game that spent like literally 15 minutes of our time. After that, we have Jory, who created a nice, simple, beautiful-looking portfolio. And finally, Sandcalp, who has this really cool cursor animation and used passion 2 times in his portfolio to talk about how much he loves programming. Cast your votes, chat. Cast your votes. Wow, I've never seen such a one-sided vote. So far, the vote is super one-sided. I wish there was a way I could like show you guys. So far, we have Andreja in the lead with 60% of the votes. I'm going to wait till we get around 50 votes, guys. Make sure you cast those votes. Cast those votes. All right, we're going to leave it up for another minute. Dude, I can't believe we got so many people today. That was awesome. We had like 140 people at the peak. At the peak of our thing. What time does the stream happen? Portfolio roasting? I usually do it around 12 p.m. EST every Thursday. 12 p.m. EST. Okay, chat. It looks like chat has spoken with 62% of the vote. The stream favorite of the day goes to Andreja. Congratulations, bro. I'm going to cast my streamer favorite of the day vote. We're going to give it to Mr. Andre, aka Supermoo. I absolutely love the Poke games. If you guys want to be in the YouTube video, I'm about to do the YouTube outro. Spam hi or buy YouTube. Spam hi or buy YouTube if you guys want to be in the YouTube video, the highlight video. I'll wait for you guys to start spamming and then I'll do the outro. You will be officially featured, chat. You will be officially featured in the YouTube video if you spam. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, hit subscribe, and join if you want to support the channel. And if you want to get your portfolio, just a reminder, links to all the portfolios reviewed will be in the description. And if you want to get your portfolio reviewed, show up every Thursday on our portfolio review stream. And I'll see you guys in the next video. We did it, boys. We did it in record time. Bro said, I don't want to be in your video. Barely didn't make the deadline, so that's okay. Thank you guys all for watching. We hit a new stream record with 150 people to stream. Couldn't do it without any of you guys. I'm thankful for all you guys. Thank you so much for watching, supporting the stream, supporting the videos. It means so much to me. You have no idea how much it helps. I had my first sponsor for one of these portfolio streams on the last video. So if you guys pump that video up, make sure you leave a comment, like it, and stuff like that. And it does well. Hopefully we can get more sponsorships. And with more sponsorships, we can do this more often and continue to do it. So thank you guys. I'm going to go get lunch. I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day. Hope you guys learned a lot and you enjoyed the stream. And I will see you guys next week on Tuesday. We're going to do a chill stream on Tuesday and then another portfolio on Thursday. So thank you again for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day.